The problem with this Swadeshi rant is it is not going to happen anytime soon. The problem is, the focus of this government and the previous government was more inclined towards bringing foreign companies to India rather than helping Indian brands sustain. Talk about FMCGs or technology. It You cannot expect Indian brands to exist in the market with these foreign brands as their competition. It is not possible. Okay, the amount of investment, the amount of technology, the amount of logistics they bring in, it won't be fair to compare Indian brands with other brands. The reach of these foreign brands in Indian market are more than the reach of the Indian brands in Indian market. It is not the fault of the organizations, it's not the fault of the companies, it's the fault of this obsession of this government of countries like India and Pakistan and Bangladesh to attract foreign investment to India. Okay, the what happens is that's how these third world countries uh, are so dominated by foreign products rather than Indian products. Okay, so the thing is that this was bound to happen. This globalization bubble was bound to burst. Okay, foreign investment is necessary, but it should be sustainable for other companies as well. Okay, right now all of a sudden if you try to go Swadeshi also, it won't be possible for you because the products are not available in the market. Okay, a brand from USA will reach faster to your home rather than an Indian brand compared to that brand. So this was bound to happen, and the problem of this is the faulty policies of the government. Okay, we are too dependent on the foreign products, we are still dependent on foreign products, and we are still dependent on foreign assurance rather than the Indian assurance. Okay, we have more faith in foreign brands rather than Indian brands. So the solution to this problem is that, and it is a long term solution, that even in this COVID-19 pandemic also, the government has to put into policies which would aid entrepreneurship in India, and not only promote entrepreneurship but also help them thrive. Okay, as a CSR policy, these these foreign brands which are still existing in India, most of them, they have to help the Indian entrepreneurs build their businesses. Okay, if this is not going to happen, they have to share the know-how, they have to share the technology, and at a point of time, till a point of time, they have to help these companies. If they don't, then they should not be here. So this type of strong and this type of out of the box policies are to be brought in order to make this Swadeshi viable and possible. Right now, only sharing which brands are Swadeshi and which brands are foreign in Facebook is not going to help. Okay, the help is going to happen when the change is going to happen when the government takes an initiative to promote Swadeshi brands as much as possible, to give them subsidies, to provide them logistics, to help them collaborate with these foreign brands, to help them collaborate with big industrial houses in India. Okay, this is the only way it is going to be happening. What the government does it for the sake of promoting Indianism and Indian brands, they are saying that we are promoting entrepreneurship. They are saying that we are promoting Mudra account. That is okay, but what about the technology? What about the sustainability, the market understanding of then the manpower, the man skill? These things are not available. Only money is not going to make it happen. Okay, in order to sustain in Indian market, these Indian brands need more than this from the government. So this is what I think about this Swadeshi thing, which has been going on for a couple of days. Okay, so that's my opinion, and that's what it is. Anyways, thank you.